Hey gut feelers! So last time on this beautiful lake, my goodbye walk, and yeah, we're gonna travel to Panama. First to the airport, which is Frankfurt in Germany, and then I fly to the Dominican Republic and from there to Panama. Isn't it beautiful? I'm so excited. Spring is coming and I'm going. I want to say thank you to you gut feelers because although I'm going to a new country and I'm leaving Germany, I'm leaving Europe the first time. I've been to Africa a little bit, but not for long. I know it's going to be challenging, I know it's going to be exciting, and I know I have you with me. It's such a beautiful feeling to know that we have this community of gut feelers who support each other and who are excited about understanding their body and understanding how intelligent it really is and natural ways to heal it. So thank you very much for being part of this journey, and I'm going to take you with me to Panama. And now let's look into how I'm going to prepare for this long trip. Let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye Germany. Wow, I'm so nervous. Like not nervous, excited. That's the right framing. So here's all my stuff. This is what comes with me. Of course, the Berkey water filter, and there's also my microphone somewhere in there. And those are the ones that come later via shipping when I've got a flat and a good space and place. And now let's talk about the food, right? Usually what's the heaviest in my luggage is food. I hope this all fits in this little backpack over there because it has to. So most important guys, water. I take those 2 glass bottles of filtered Berkey water, then oranges. Here's something sweet. This is millet with almond milk and applesauce. And then we have, this is going to be either dinner or lunch. It's a dal with lentils, carrots and onions, super simple. Then there are some potatoes in there, I'm not sure if you can see them. And fresh basil from over there. And alfalfa sprouts. Then I've got some strawberries. These I'm going to eat like probably in the train already. Potatoes, cooked potatoes, awesome to take away. They also let you go through the check-in with that one. Then we have, let's go for the packed food. One important thing I wanted to say, guys, because you might be scared like, oh my god, she's eating so much fat. During my travels, I usually eat more fatty foods, like for my understanding, fatty foods, you know, like something with seeds and nuts. Actually 2 reasons, because it keeps me full longer, so I don't have to, I'm not so tempted to buy any junk food that I don't want to eat actually. And the second one is packaging, because it's more, the more fat content there is, the more calorie dense and the less you actually have to carry. So those are amazing. These are my onion crackers. I'm gonna talk about all of them when I eat them actually. Then we got some chia, gluten-free bread, of course without corn and anything. Pin and chia and sesame seeds and based on a sourdough from rice. Then we got some vegan tomato spread. For this, I don't know if they let me go for the check-in with this, so I have to eat that before maybe. Got some energy balls here with cranberry and coconut and apple cinnamon. Fruit bars. Got a little bit of salt here. I'm not gonna eat all this, don't worry. Applesauce, and I really like, guys, I know this is like probably sounds a little bit strange, but I've kind of found that I really like applesauce on top of rice crackers. Yeah, that's just my thing. It's not the most healthy, but it's also not unhealthy. So that's gonna be me. Then guys are the oranges I mentioned already. Here, lots and lots of fruits. Best thing, cucumbers, got those 2 organic cucumbers, everything organic, celery, tomatoes. And then, guys, here comes lunch or dinner. I spend a lot of time on this sauce. So this is chickpeas and chickpea noodles, chickpea pasta. And then on top we have a sauce with quinoa, onions, zucchini, tomato, all together with a little bit of salt. It smells amazing. And then on top, once this cooled down, this is still a little bit hot, I want to put some alfalfa sprouts in also. And now I'm gonna stuff that all in this little backpack over there. Let's see how successful I am. I'm just about to leave Leipzig now. Then I'm going to drive to Frankfurt, and from there I'm going to take the plane to the Dominican Republic and then Panama. Hey guys, so I'm still in the train on the way to the airport, and I'm doing some work and I'm so tired. So I want to share with you a secret that I use because I don't want to drink coffee, because then I have this energy dip, you know, I drink coffee and feel high and then poof, it falls down and also depletes the body. You heard me talking about coffee so much. I'm gonna drink this. Can you see this? No, it's not blood, it's vitamin C powder with berries. And what's also in there is green tea and matcha extract. I'm gonna link you all of those products on my website. And this is just a powder, you know, you can take it everywhere. It's just like this. And then I put some water on there. 1 teaspoon of this berry powder with green tea extract. And I tell you, this is gonna boost. It's amazing. You have so much. I still have, in like 10 minutes, I'm gonna be working like a working horse. You say something like that. Well, it's gonna be amazing. Just sharing this little tip with you, and now I'm gonna drink it and go back to work. Cheers. I'm just on the way to the flight, and I heard that the airplane is completely booked. It's full. It's 253 people in this Boeing, and I'm gonna sit in the aisle. Probably not gonna make any videos for you there, just because there are people and I'm not sure if they want to be on YouTube. I'm through the security check-in without my luggage, just all my food. Check this out. All full of food. And now I'm gonna look for my gate. Hey guys, so completely booked. This is what you get. You get like a blanket, and then you get like a pillow, and it's 253 people in this plane. And we just waited in the bus in front of the airplane, stuck in the bus, completely squeezed in like in Tokyo. And we waited there for like 25 minutes. Looking at the airplane, it didn't let us out, and now I'm in. Before we end this video for now, the question of the day is, what is your favorite country you like to live in? Right now, just trusting your gut feelings. Please let me know, let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you.